So Lizard man, your daughter don't worry about.
Yeah.
Officer Fabian.
Yo, brown chaps.
Yo, I'm just with one daughter out of chicken and things a while ago.
Oh, you just seen
Not
that?
give me. We're not comedian. Yeah, Eddie Murphy. Yeah, Jim Carrey.
No, me have good pum pum problem.
Oh, lady, give me a walk.
Look how long man I beg you some pussy. If you give it to me, the boy I wouldn't dare play with you.
Well, you know the game and you know the risk.
Hey boy, and RJ your mother.
RJ? Yeah, she have a mother.
If you haven't found no, you no fuck with me. What? Go suck your mother, boy. Where you say? So, hold this. Hey, where you say now? Bumbo class. Don't move, police. Police, your mother, man.
I went since me get married. Oh, nobody never invite me on my own wedding.
No, look like you forget, say I one way out of this and then I grave.
Bonnie, you were saying I know. You know so now we're talking about.
I don't want your money, I'm pay them more.
You don't want it?
I don't want your money.
You don't
Okay,
feel
Mr. Gale, you call me nowadays more than my wife.
Funny bunch.
Yeah, man, we say I done a girl them can kill you with bundle.
In 5 years, not even dog are left on the island.
Mr. Gale from Indicom just called me.
The boy don't like police in the bossy.
I know them man when me kill no innocent, you know. Whether I catch them with a gun or not, them a killer. See me?
You are going to kill your dad. And me, I'm the superintendent. I'm going to tell you, no more killing.